So there's no stealth car camping this time. There's no hiding. I'll be completely exposed. People will know, oh yeah, that guy is sleeping in his car. And I'll let you know the reasons why on this video. Let's drive. If you've been watching the channel, you know about my recent past experiences. So today, I am playing safe. There's no looking for a good spot, a quiet one, a nice car park, none of that. Tonight, I'm going to be safe and sound. Which will be a nice contrast to the type of car camping I've been doing so far. I'm actually looking forward to this, really am. And as always, the road to get there is stunning. Really enjoying this journey. However, from the things I'm saying, you might be guessing where I'm headed. I'm going to a car camping site. How exciting is that? Well, I am excited. This is gonna be a first for me, so I'm really looking forward to this. I really want to draw a comparison to the type of car parking I've been doing so far. So I can't wait for this. Oh yeah. We're here. Look at that. Oh, I love it. First impressions, really good. Nice. Nice and neat. Right, let's give them a bus.
Hello?
Oh, hi, good afternoon, or evening rather. I'm in the car, I just arrived.
Have you got a booking already?
I have, yeah.
Okay, I'll just come out. I'll meet you, I'll just come to your car, it's
Okay,
fine.
sure.
Okay, see you in a second.
See you there.
Bye.
Let's talk to the nice lady. Let's go to the beach. This is looking awesome. Really good. Plenty of people around here, which is always a good sign, I think. People like it, it must be good, right? Lots of tents. Cool. That looks like this guy's car camping. Oh man, awesome. Oh no, he's not. He's in a tent. That wouldn't be nice to have another car camper. You know, someone who does this sort of thing. Wouldn't that be good? Change experiences, talk about stuff. Hi, I'm sure I'm someone should talk about that anyway. And if I don't, I have you guys to talk about this stuff. So it's so good. Let's go out and explore. Right, let's explore the area now, shall we? Man, this is nice. This is really nice. Really cool area. And now, would you believe if I told you we are in the middle of summer? Look at this freaking weather. Oh, it's so green. But apparently tomorrow is going to be nice. 21 degrees and sunny. But looking at the weather now, you wouldn't say, would you? Oh man, let's see. Right, anyway, despite the weather being a bit crap, I'm going to show you the facilities of this place. So let's walk and see what's there, what's available there. So obviously, the big advantages of doing car camping, it's in a camping site, is that you got a whole lot of different bonuses with it. For instance, there's toilets, laundry room even, for those that are staying longer. That's a huge advantage, isn't it? To have a place to wash your clothes. But even if you didn't have that, just the ability to have a shower, that's amazing. That's really good. You got sinks. Let's have a look. Sinks to wash your dirt dishes. So I wouldn't need to do that inside my car. So it's all part of the package, isn't it? Let me show you what I'm seeing. So that is where most of the facilities are. And over here, have a little shed. This little shed. This little shed is a bit of a gem. You can get information about the area and things to do. Oh, teddy bear. Look at that. Oh, there's even a guitar. How nice. I'm sure he's not in tune. Definitely not in tune. But nice. Let's see outside. Main road. But we're pretty tucked away. It's not a lot of noise here. Let's go in this way. Reception area, which is closed now. It's almost 8 o'clock at night. I know it doesn't look like. And over here, laundry room. It's closed. Oh yeah, closed at 6. But hi ho, it's there. Available if you need it. But hi ho, that's that. Over here, toilets. Ladies' toilet. And the gents. Let's go in the gents. Nice. Oh, cool. Shower cubicles. Toilets. Nothing fancy. But clean. That's what you want, isn't it? Hello. That's really cool. Let's go out again. Yeah, all in all, very pleased with this. I think I made the right choice. Completely different standards. I'm not saying that sleeping in the car park, public car parks, is not for me anymore. But I'm sure you can clearly see the advantages of sleeping on a camping site. Which I'm not gonna deny it. I like it. But to be honest, what's not to like, isn't it? Oh, it's starting to rain a little bit more now. Well, it's rain, say drizzle. But it's time to go back to the car now. So here we are again, back in the car now. And I gotta say, the car is a mess. I need to sort this out. But I'm gonna have something to eat first, and then I'll settle for the night. But I'm sure I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight. This is so quiet. Now that I'm inside the car, I can hardly hear anything. And I'm seeing some children outside, you know, going around and going for walks with their dogs. But now, I can't hear a thing, which is really good. That's exactly what I wanted. Right, we're gonna sort some food out, and I'll see you in a bit. So the car is in sleeping mode now. So as always, very cozy, and I like this sitting area here because it's all just by the side of the bed, and behind me here is just my little sink. Oh, by the way, I'm here in the car, and I'm thinking that maybe it would be a good time to think about some upgrades, especially with the lighting, because obviously this light is on. I got some lights around me, but the cabin is not quite bright as I would like it to be. So I'm gonna think about some upgrades, lighting upgrades. If you had some ideas, if you have used some of the stuff in your car or camper van, and let me know in the comments down below, please do, because I would love to hear see what other people are using for lighting. I'd like the cabin to be a bit more bright, to be honest with you. It's not as bright as I would like to be. However, talking about upgrades, and if you've been watching my past episodes, I do have one item that I didn't have before, and that is this little fan. It would have made a whole lot of difference a few weeks ago, but I thought, oh, I need to get this, and I got it. But I thought, well, tonight I'm sure I'm not going to use it because of the weather, as you've seen it outside. But now that after setting all up and going through some physical exercise here and there, I started to feel a bit warm. So this little fan is actually coming very handy. I'm feeling a lot fresher now. So that is one thing, but there's still more things to do. And if you have any ideas of all the little things that I could do to improve my stay in the car, my sleeping in the car, yeah, comment down below. I'd love to hear your impressions and your opinions about this gadgets and accessories that I could get. Obviously I have a fair idea what I would like, but yeah, let's exchange some ideas. Tell me your impressions. I'd love to hear them. And I have some food now, so let's have a look, see what's here. So I got some drink for today and tomorrow. some olives, olives, a banana, and a bit of salmon. Scottish salmon, very fancy. All courtesy of Lidl. I love Lidl. So yeah, I'm gonna have some food now, and I'll see you in a bit. This car is going to be stinking of salmon. I just realized that. Time to go to sleep now, and I gotta be honest, it is so quiet, unbelievable. It's so good. I can't stress enough how peaceful it is out here. Can hardly hear anything coming from the outside, and judging by how much it costed me to stay here one night, I think this, for everything that I'm getting, this is a bargain. Only paying £14 a night because as I just sleeping in my car, is not a non-electric beach. It's just charging me as if I was a tent, which is fair enough. So yeah, absolutely bargain for what we get. I'm really pleased. I'm definitely coming back here soon and stay again because it is really nice. But well, sleep time now. I'll see you guys in the morning. So, thoughts on my first night in a car, in a camping site. It was better than I expected. It was really good. I had an excellent night of sleep. It was so quiet. It was so peaceful. I couldn't hear anything apart from the flapping of the tent next door. But you know, in the distance, that was the only thing really. So toilet facilities there, impeccable, can't really fault. The facilities were great. I really like that. So that brought a different flair to the whole experience, because yes, you're compromising in certain things, but then you don't in some others. And actually, those other ones that you're not compromising, it makes a bit of a difference. Like just having the option of going to the toilet really sometimes can be a lifesaver, if you know what I mean. But yeah, all in all, for the price I paid and for the type of service I received, I think everyone should do it every now and then. You know, if you're not often, every now and then. And I'm definitely planning on doing it every now and then. Because who doesn't like to have access to good things, eh? And this video is not sponsored in any way, shape or form. But if you're in the West Sussex area and you're looking for a camping site to stay, I do recommend this SouthdownWay Caravan and Camping Park, because it was excellent. It was really excellent. From the staff that I dealt with via the phone, and the site warden that welcomed me on my arrival, everybody was so nice and friendly. So yeah, I'll leave their details down below in the description, and feel free to visit their website. and check them out for yourselves. So if you find this video of value, if you think this is entertaining, it's informative, anyway, whatever good vibes you're getting from this video, and I hope you do, please do share, subscribe, comment, and let me know your impressions. I'd love to hear them all and interact with you. So that's me for this time around, but I will see you again on my next video.